Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you exactly how you can block users or someone on Bluesky. So let's get started. Launch the Bluesky application, for example, on your Android smartphone. And what you want to do here on your home feed, guys, is scroll through the recently published post and simply pick the user you'd like to block. For example, I'm going to block that user here for demonstration purposes, just temporarily. So tap on the username, and after that, here on that user's profile, tap again on his or her username. And after that, tap on these three dots here in the top right corner to select block user from that list of options below. Note, however, guys, that if you block someone on Bluesky, that user will not be able anymore to follow you or to interact in any way with your published content, and you as well will not be able to communicate or to interact with that user anymore. So as you can see, the published or posted content by that user is not displayed for me. So to unblock the given user, simply tap on unblock here in the top right corner, and as you can see, that account has been restored so that it may appear in your home feed with its associated content and posts again. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.